my channel. I just got home from meeting up with a couple of my friends and we did an orchid swap. So, oh my goodness guys, it is hot, 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 hot. I'm just a hot mess right now, but I came home with some beautiful, beautiful orchids. So I'm going to show you what we've swapped and some of the new additions to my collection. I always think it's such a nice way to grow your collection, and also when you share divisions with your orchids, you get to grow the same orchids together with your friends. So I'm gonna just jump right in and show you the new additions that I got from my friend Ray's garden. I'll link his channel down below, and our friend Grismelda as well, who I will link her Instagram down below so you could check her out. Both of them grow orchids. Wow, it is noisy out there today. It is summer here in New York City, and yeah, the streets are loud. Let's jump right into the video. You guys are in for a treat. Let me show you what I've got. First up is this beautiful Maxillaria Tenefolia. And it's not just any Maxillaria Tenefolia. This is the variegated version. Ray gave this to me, and I've been after this version for a while. So, oh my goodness, it's just so pretty. Look at these bulbs. So he gave me a division, and I cannot wait to grow this one. Look at those. They look like little watermelons, like the little peperomias. Ah, cannot wait. So this is the first one. Next up, we have an orchid from SVO. This is the Cattleya green sleeves, which is a cross between the Cattleya Atalanta, Hawaii, cross with Leopoldii, Alba, Emerald green sleeves. So this one's really nice. It's got a new growth coming in, some new roots, so perfect time to get her repotted, but I'll let her get used to my space here, or maybe not, since we have the same climate here in New York and New Jersey. So this is a nice one. Next up, we have a species. This one is the Phalaenopsis Bastiani. So this is a little cakey. So this is beautiful. The flowers are really pretty. They're very similar to Hieroglyphica, maybe a little bit close to the Amboinensis. So I'm looking forward to growing this one. I also have another species, Phalaenopsis. This one's from Ray. I think this one is Phalaenopsis Ludamania, or Ludamania. But this is a little cakey that was growing, so I cannot wait. Super cute flowers. Next up is Dendrobium kingianum. So can't wait to grow this one. I have another kingianum in my shelves as well, but I hear that some of them have different variations of pink. So I am really excited to see how this does. But really looking forward to this one. I really like those kingianum hybrids. I can give it the conditions it needs in the fall and winter by leaving it outside on my fire escape, and that's what I plan to do when this gets a little bit larger. This one over here is the Iwanagara Apple Blossom Fantasy Pink. I'm so excited for this one because it's got a sheath in there. It's got one, and there is also another one. Oh man, this one has really, really pretty blooms, so I can't wait to see it grow. It's got some roots coming in and getting established, so I'm gonna leave it right here in this pot. So I'm really, really happy with this one. And this is from Ray. So nice. Ray has also introduced me to the fun world of carnivorous plants. I have a sundew, I believe, here, and we've got a Pinguicula. So I'm going to keep these extra moist sitting in a tray of water. These need a ton of moisture, and I think with all of the fungus gnats I have, these are going to get to work really, really fast. This is also working on a flower, which is great, but really glad to have these. I've been wanting one, and I've got two now, and yeah, I really need something to take care of all of the fungus gnats that I have. So really looking forward to growing these. and getting rid of these fungus knots. This one over here is from Grismelda. This one is Dendrobium New Hope Mini. This is a little cakey, so I look forward to growing this one. Plenty of new roots, so I'm gonna pot it up tomorrow, but looking good. So I'm really excited for this one. It's got a ton of new roots. So this one is the Brassevola nadosa crossed with Cattleya guttata alba. This is also from Grismelda. And look at all those roots go. And it's got a new growth as well. So I cannot wait to grow this. And this is the perfect time to pot these up. Look at those roots. Oh, this is perfect. All right, this is the last one. This one is the Obsidium Irish Mist Winter Green. This one has really pretty flowers, and this is a division, and it's got a new growth going. So I look forward to growing this one. This is gonna be a really, really pretty one, but I really like these Obsidium types. They've got such beautiful flowers, and they're very easy to grow. So that is my haul. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. It's always so nice to trade divisions and different orchids with your friends. You end up with cakey swaps and little divisions, and swapping some of the orchids that you have. You end up growing your collection really, really nicely. I'm excited for all of them. I feel like especially that watermelon one in the back, that one's gonna be really nice. And then the apple blossom, oh my goodness. I'm also really, really excited about the Brassevola crossover here with Guttata. Anyway, guys, it's hot here. It's the end of the day, but I wanted to quickly show you guys these new orchids. I'm going to be repotting them tomorrow morning, and then I'll keep you guys updated on how they do. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more orchid updates like this. Take care, everyone. Bye.